My son wanted some homemade donuts, so it's time to make donuts. So I'll show you how. You know, there's maybe nothing more delicious than homemade donuts, and they're actually pretty easy to make. You're just mixing up some stuff. I'll put the recipe in there. This beef tallow is so good. The link in my bio, you can buy some yourself. I use this all the time for all kinds of things I'm cooking. Yeah, you just mix up some things, stir some stuff up. Pretty easy. Let that dough get kneaded up a little bit. Then I just put it by the fire, let it warm up. And then it's time to roll it out. Let's roll out this dough. Now it's cut it up. I couldn't find anything, so I used this cookie cutter, shake it up a little bit. And then I found the top of a little cap and used that to make the holes, which those turn out to be some donut holes. These donuts, they look a little small, so we put them by the fire, let them rise again. Get all puffy. Now let's make some icing. How about some vanilla icing and some chocolate icing? You're gonna need a candy thermometer, so you can get one link in my bio, you can go check that out. Now I'm using that beef tallow again, getting them nice and cooked up. Now, help from Mrs. Cowboy Hat Cook to get some chocolate icing going. I messed up my icing, she made it. I made the vanilla. Now some cinnamon sugar for those donut holes. Oh, I love donut holes like that. Look how pretty these are. Look how delicious they are. Now, you can't see how delicious they are, but you gotta taste it yourself. Now, like, follow, comment, share, do all the things, and let's make some donuts.